Hi, what's up Kishu Inu holder my friend. This time the Kishu Inu condition is very critical now, and definitely all crypto market is not comfortable. All currencies will very badly fails down. So Kishu Inu is also my friend very badly fails down. Absolutely, you can see my friend this time minus 10.2% the prices fails down. So definitely what's the reason my friend, and what we will need to do this my friends to be safe from the loss now. Everything I am going to discuss now my brother, but kindly if you are new my channel, you will need to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification now. So kindly hold your hope you will do this now my brother. You can see our application Inu fails down from last 7 days now. It's a very bad my friend for all of you, but don't worry my brother. After this long fail, absolutely I'm 100% sure today will wake up and completely go in the moon now in upcoming days. But just in only I think 2 to 3 days, there is expert says my friends, so there is a chance to there were more fails down. So my brother, if you know to there were more fails down in upcoming 2 or 3 days, so therefore absolutely they cannot lose more. Kindly, if you are short term investor, then sell it, but definitely you want to hold. So I think it's very good now, and I hope if a long term investor they are starting holding, so I hope they will move upon now. Kindly don't sell it, hold it, and please wait for the 1 year 2 year. I hope my brother Kishu Inu will make you a millionaire now. So see you next time Kishu Inu holder. Kindly like video and subscribe this channel for more this type urgent and updates videos now.